peace. This is Vlogmas Day 2, 1 take, 3 minutes. The last one was about purpose in life, and I reflected on why I was a game developer, why I began, and why I'm still here. And I concluded with the fact that it's in need of a bit of a revision. So I started to think of what I'm trying to accomplish and achieve with these videos, and one thing that I'm trying to promote is love and compassion and this idea of being yourself, which is a very important mantra of mine and something that I promote in all of my videos with the pun "be beautiful," which I really like. I think it's really cute. So there's this passage from the Quran, and I want to recite it to you here because it kind of relates to the direction of where we're going and what we should be focusing on. So this chapter here, it's called The Fading Day. Other interpretations of the title include time itself, or the flight of time. So it's this idea of time escaping us. So I'll read it out to you in English. Know that the Quran is originally in Arabic, so this is just the translation. So, in the name of God, the Lord of mercy, the giver of mercy. By the fading day, man is deep in loss, except for those who believe, do good deeds, urge one another to the truth, and urge one another to steadfastness. And if you are like me and wondering what steadfastness means exactly, it means resolutely or dutifully firm and unwavering. So I relate that personally to things like peer pressure, or not even that, but just society and nurture. Essentially, I don't want to use the word indoctrinating, but kind of nudging us to be who we're not really deep down. And so it's kind of the antithesis of being yourself when you're making these decisions that aren't even really yours. So be yourself means to know who you are, know what your values are, embrace who you are, and be loyal to that, to be unwavering essentially, so to be steadfast. Do good deeds, of course, means to help those in need, and urge one another to the truth and justice. So I really like that. It's very simple and it's a way to live, and I hope I can live up to that. Thank you and take care.